Hello there YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Minecraft papercraft switchable furnace. As you can see, I used the switchable furnace template. Now as you can see, this will work for any block. It's all the blocks are cubed. But anyway, let's get started. Alright, so first we're gonna cut around the block, and also so that it's on a smaller sheet of paper. Anyway, go ahead and cut the papercraft out. So we're going to cut out each square and each area with tabs on it. And we're going to cut around the tabs. Oh, and I almost forgot to tell you. Yes, this will work with dice. Alright. Always happens whenever I make book game videos. Alright. And then you're going to want to make sure that the very bottom square is able to move like this. Alright. So next, you're going to have to cut the tab out. That'll automatically force the block to come out as well. So, and the tabs help hold in the structure. So you're gonna need those. There we go. And we're gonna keep going, just like on the very first tab that you cut out. And then, after you cut out the third tab, and you're gonna cut like this. Alright, so at this point, this one should be able to move, just like this bottom one is right here. Alright, and then you're gonna cut right here. Then after this cut right here, and this one should be free to move. Alright. Next, you're going to want to cut this a little triangular corner out right over here, so that you can get the tabs Now here's a trick that I like to do in case you weren't listening in some of my other videos. I always like to cut out 2 tabs as 1 tab and then cut out the triangle in the middle. That's what I always like to do. That doesn't mean that it's what you have to do. It's just a trick that you can do if you want to. Alrighty. And then if you end up having some white that's not in the tabs, you can just trim that off. Like so. And like so. And then you're gonna keep going. You're gonna keep going. And cut. Alrighty. Let's see. Yeah. And we got the block almost ready to fold. If you see some white outside of the block, then try trimming that off. If you can't, just do, and I just cut into my first. Okay then. Anyway, we're gonna want to start folding. Now, since this is a block, we're gonna need the tab. Well, actually, for every papercraft, you need to use the tabs. And then try and make it as, well, flat as you can. Folding the tabs. Alright. Alright, and you're also going to want to fold in the rest of these tabs. Alright, and then fold. And then you got what it should look like after you finish doing your switchable fence. But, however, I'm going to be using tape. And I got to for y'all. But anyway, for you people who for those of you who do glue, just put glue on the tabs and then fold it and then let it dry. Anyway, this is for the tape. Alright. Kinda hard to do papercraft. Using tape on my hand, but look at that, I can just hold it like that. After you tape this part, it should look like a dice with two opening parts. Storage. Alrighty. Then we're gonna put an absolute seal on the bottom. And then we're going to fold it over like this. And then we're going to fold it so that it looks like this. And I'm using the openable compartment for, well, actually just for my guy. Here's my little mini guy. Say hello to the camera. Alright, well, it's getting to start to close in on 15 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna have to make sure that this video doesn't go over 15 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here. But anyway, thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and a subscription if you think this helped. And you can comment below if you want me to do any other videos for like a bed or yeah. Anyway, so yeah. Somebody else is awake. I don't know who. Anyway, thanks for watching.